Hello everyone and welcome to this webinar in which we will introduce you the new features from the marketing application in the version 19.3. We are Sharon and Elizabeth and we are both business analysts and marketing experts. And to introduce you the new features for the marketing apps, we have decided to launch a new premium skincare serum for skincare Odoo brand. And to do so, we have decided to create a marketing strategy. And at the agenda for today, for this marketing strategy, we will first create a landing page thanks to the AI application in order to get new leads for this strategy. Then we'll send beautiful newsletter thanks to the email marketing new feature. We'll also see the new feature for the marketing automation application. And finally, we will post some picture on our social marketing application. But now, let's start with the landing page with AI, because there is a new feature that will help you to create your landing page directly thanks to the AI application in our website application. But let's see that directly in our database. So here we are on our dashboard in Odoo with a lot of applications, but the first one that will interest us is the website application. And what we will do is to click on the new button here in order to create a new page, a new landing page. So we will click on it. We'll start with a blank page and we'll call it new serum. So we will create it. And now we will be able to add some blocks, but also to call the AI website assistant in order to create this landing page with AI. So if I click on it, I will put my script there and I will say, okay, create a short landing page with one picture for my new skincare serum and add a contact form in order to create a new opportunity in my serum, and I will send it. I ask AI to create a new contact form in order to create a new opportunity in my CRM, so that if someone is interested in my new serum, he can directly fill in this contact form, and we will see together that it can create a new opportunity in my CRM application directly because everything is integrated. And then what is really powerful is that thanks to this AI website assistant, is that you don't have to drag and drop the blocks here. AI is doing everything for you. You don't have to think about the title, the text, the description, the picture, and so on. AI is really building the text, the title, and adding picture from Unsplash, which is a free platform where we can find some beautiful picture. So you don't have to go on ChatGPT, Gemini, or whatever in order to ask ChatGPT to write the text and then copy-paste it directly in your landing page. Everything is done directly thanks to our AI website assistant. And what we will see also together later is that you can create a landing page, but you can also create new records in Odoo directly. So we'll see together that we can create a meeting in order to check together our marketing strategy, but also use AI in email marketing. But now you have seen that I have my new landing page that is created. Of course, I can ask AI to adapt some text, some titles, some pictures, and so on. But for now, it's good for me. So what I will do is just adapt this picture because it's not related to my brand. So I will click on it and I will replace it with a picture that I have in my database. So I will use this one. And now everything is ready. I have the benefits of my product. And here I have my new contact form in order to create an opportunity in my CRM. So what I will do is to add a new field related to the opportunity itself so that I can have a name for my opportunity in my CRM. So I will select this field and I will save it. Now what I will do is, of course, fill in this contact form. So I will call it new serum and I will say, okay, what can it do for my skin? And I will send a message. Now, as I have told you before, it's really powerful because it's totally integrated with my CRM application. So I will go back in my Odoo dashboard, and now I will open this CRM application. And if I remove my filter, you will see that I have a lot of opportunity, but this one is the new one that I've just created thanks to the website. So you can see that I have my contact, my email address, my phone number, and the text that I've put in my description. So what can it do for my skin? And here you see that it's coming from the new serum consultation. So now, thanks to this landing page, I have a new lead, a new opportunity in my CRM, and I'm now totally able to target them with some beautiful website in email marketing.
Yes, thank you, Charlene. So now that we have created a wonderful landing page and that we have new leads in our CRM, what we want to do, of course, is to engage them and send them some content about our new product. So to do that, let's create a marketing emailing campaign and take a look at the new 19.3 features of the email marketing app. The first new feature is the AI image generation. It's now possible to automatically generate images directly from the editor using artificial intelligence. So we saw with Charlene that it can help you create a landing page. Now we'll see how it works for email marketing. So let's jump into the Odoo database here and go on the email marketing app that is just here. Let's open it. You can start from scratch. I have already a draft email that is ready to be used, so I will open it. What I want to show you today is the fact that here I have my picture, which is okay, but I want to improve it. I want to ask AI to improve my picture. So what I'm going to do is to double click on it, and it opens the email marketing image configurator. And if I click on the AI logo just over here, there is two suggestion action. The help, and I will check. Sorry, the help me generate an image. So I will wait for AI to update to improve this image based on my content. I can of course give AI some guidelines. Here I have picked one of the suggestions that the AI chatter gave me, but I can of course decide to have something more minimalist, more design with more colors. It really depends on what you want. So here AI is working on my picture, and I have this pretty looking one, and I can of course click on the use this button to use this in my email. So I will click on use this, and it appears automatically in my email marketing. So this is just perfect. All right, so that's it for the first one. Let's have a look at the second new feature of email marketing. The second one are more user-friendly and design. Indeed, it's about the fact that now more fonts are available in the email editor. And also there is a new toggle button for the view in browser, and it makes it really easy to add it directly in our email. So let's have a look at this in my current email. So if I open the design tab over here, I have the opportunity to change the fonts of my paragraph, which is just over here, and my heading. Let's do it for the heading. My current font is Arial, but I want to change it. And as you can see here below, you have a lot of new fonts available. So this one match my brand identity, so I will pick this one and add the same for my paragraph. Then it looks perfect here, cabin, perfect. All right, I don't know if you have already seen, but as I mentioned just before, the show in browser is really different as before. Before it was a block that we needed to add. Here it's a toggle that we need to activate, and once it's activated, as you can see here, it appears automatically on the top of my email marketing. So it is really game changer. All right, what about the last new features of email marketing? It's the clicked link. What it means, it's now possible to precisely identify which link in an email a contact has clicked on. It's really a major improvement, and I will show you how it works. So now I have my email marketing to promote my brand new serum. What I want to do is to track the link of my email to be sure that to have this reporting following the person who has clicked on. To do so, of course, you need to have a call to action or link in your email marketing. Previously, I have added this product block with this call to action here, the buy it now, and it refers to my product page. All right, what I want to do, it's if I go back to my email marketing over here, it's to be sure that it works. So, okay, it's perfect. What makes the 19.3 features really more flexible is the fact that you can also decide to not to disable link tracking for some reason. As an example, if you want to improve your deliverability rate, or if you do not want to track all of your link and to have a reporting of all of your link, maybe for the terms and condition, as an example for here, I can click on Edit. Here go on the advanced mode, and as you can see here, we can check the disable link tracking. So if someone click on this link, it won't appear in my reporting. So now I will let it like that. Now that my email is ready, my target are the leads that just came from my CRM. I have from now 5 records, as you can see here. What I want to do is to send it out and to simulate the customer behavior by clicking on this link. So let's send it. All right, send it to all. My email is in the queue. I will just rush it a little bit and go on my schedule action. I will go in my mail, queue manager, and run it manually. This way, my email will be sent out just now. So if I go back, it's still in the queue. I can refresh it. Maybe I need to do it once again. Schedule action, mail. All right. All right, let's check. So if I go back in here, perfect. My email is sent, and one email has been sent to this email address. Obviously, this is my email address, and I will check here. Perfect. I have one new email marketing from Charlene, which looks really nice with the new product. And what I want to do, because it's match really my needs, it's to buy it now. So let's click on it. So I have clicked on the link, obviously. Here, if I add it to my cart, I will purchase it and pay it with demo. All right, let's see how it looks like in the backend of my email. So if I go back to my email marketing, which was just sent over here, you have a lot of smart buttons, which is KPIs linked to your email marketing. If we go on the click one, we have here a major improvement. As we can see, we have a clear view of who has clicked on what, and the link, and even the time this person has clicked on. So it's really game changer for the marketing team, and it will help us a lot for our reporting. All right, so that's it for the email marketing new features. I will let you with Charlene for the marketing automation features.
Thank you. So now we have seen that we can create a landing page thanks to AI. We can create a beautiful email marketing with AI. But now what about the new feature with marketing automation? This one is not related to AI, but more related to relative dates. So what if I tell you that you can now automatically filter data relative to the current date? So for example, orders created 1 day ago, this week, or this month, without having to set a fixed date. So let's say that you want to target all the order that was made like 6 days ago, because you want to promote your new serum to your contact who have purchased a specific serum before. So what we can do is to check it directly in Odoo. So we'll go in our marketing automation application. And here you will see that we have 2 different campaigns, and we'll check the first one. So the older ones. So here, what we want to do thanks to this campaign is to target the contact who have purchased a specific product, a specific serum teint allé, during the last 6 days. So this is possible thanks to the developer mode, and thanks to this new feature, of course, is to target a relative range. So this is just here, and as I have just mentioned, you will see it when you are in developer mode. So now that this is feasible, you can then select a specific number of days, but you can also say that you want to target week, month, or year. So now that my target is totally built, I can then target my contact who have purchased a serum teint allé during the last 6 days. And what I want to do is then to promote my new serum, because as they have purchased a serum before, maybe they will be interested in this new product. And to do so, I will build my workflow here, and I will add a new activity. So here I have chosen to add a new activity type, which is an email. I have my email template, and then I have my trigger. And here I have chosen to put 0 hour after the beginning of the workflow, which means that every time someone who will purchase the serum Teint Allé during the last 6 days, he will automatically, dynamically get this email in order to promote my new serum. So this is really nice for my orders, but what could be also interesting is to use this feature for the opportunities. So let's say that I have created a new opportunity thanks to my landing page, but my lead didn't get any information about it. We didn't get any email. We didn't get him on the phone, and we really want to target him because the stage didn't update for the last 3 days. So here we will target the lead, and we will filter the last stage update, which is in the last 3 days. So thanks to it, we will be able, for example, to create a new activity for the salespeople. So here, what I want to do is to say, okay, if I didn't get any information from the customer for the last 3 days, so if I didn't make any update on the stage for the last 3 days, I will not send an email, but I will create a server action, which is an activity for the sales. And if I open it, you will see that I am able to create an activity, which is a call, in order to remind the sales people to call the lead to give him more info about the serum and maybe make him purchase my new serum. So I can save it. And as the same as the previous campaign that we have seen together for the orders, I have put the trigger 0 hours after the beginning of the workflow, so that also it will be automatically, dynamically added on the lead that the sales should call the customer in order to give him more information about the serum. And it's really then powerful for my marketing campaigns because I can really track the lead behavior for my new product. But now that this is done, we will check what are the new features for the social marketing application.
Yes, thank you, Charlene. So what about social marketing? There is one new feature, which is really also a game changer, is the fact that we can now mention and tag accounts directly in our post, regardless of the social network we use. So let's jump into our database and see how it works. So here we have the social marketing application where you can connect all your different social media accounts. What I want to do, because we are launching our new product, is to publish a message on my Facebook page to do the promotion of my new product, which is Discover our brand new serum, 100% natural, 100% worth it. Let's add an emoji. All right. And what I want to do here is to tag all the shops where this product is available. So I will just say available, sorry, in all our, and here I will tag, I have the possibility to split it per media, so here we are on Facebook, so available in all our Odoo shops, and here it's looking for Odoo, right, this is perfect, shops. Perfect. And as you can see here in the preview, you have the Odoo account, which is tagged. And it's really the new feature of this social marketing app. We can, of course, add here the perfect image matching our post and post it. All right. Now that this is done, we have done today, and we have made a great campaign. We have done a landing page. We have created an email marketing campaign. We have made some marketing automation, and here we have posts on our social media accounts. What we want to do now, as a good marketer teams, is to create a meeting, organize a meeting, maybe next week, to discuss our results, to see how many leads we generated, how many sales orders were created thanks to our marketing efforts and action. And to do so, we can ask AI by clicking on this logo to open the AI agent to organize a meeting with Charlene next week, next Monday, we will say, from 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. to discuss our brand new marketing campaign about our new serum and analyze the results. Results. Okay, perfect. So I'm asking AI to create a record in my database, and as we have seen today, AI is able to create a new landing page to optimize your image from your email marketing, but also to create records, and that's really what I'm asking him today. So let's see. He's searching in the database. Let's see how it will work. And here, so here's the preview of what I just asked him. And if I'm okay with that, I can just click on the Let's Do It button over here. And now the AI is creating the record on my database. So let's check in our calendar app. It's next Monday, so on the 25th. And over here, AI just created a new meeting with Charlene to indeed discuss our marketing campaign about our new CRM.
Okay, so today we have seen how to create a landing page, how to create a beautiful email marketing and to adapt the picture thanks to the AI application, but also how to target relative data and marketing automation, and finally how to use social marketing in order to tag your media account directly on the post. I hope you like it. I hope it was really useful for you. And now we will switch to the Q&A session in a few minutes. Thank you.
All right, so for the Q&A session, we see that we have one question from PNG Odoo. What's the best way to import custom fonts for email marketing for brand continuity? Actually, it's not yet possible to import new fonts in the email marketing app. You can use the fonts that are available, but we cannot import new ones.
Okay, and we have a question from LinkedIn. Is this ability to tag link available on all social platforms? So yes, it's a totally new feature. Previously, you were able to tag only on 2 platforms, I think, and now you can tag all people on every social platform thanks to social marketing app. We will wait a few seconds if you have any more questions. So custom font importation, we have already responded to it. Cool. Do we have WhatsApp marketing? Yes, there is a WhatsApp application that is available in Odoo. So you will have to go into the apps here application, and you can search for WhatsApp here, and you will be able to install it. But here you will see that you will have some templates that are already configured by Odoo, and if you want to configure more templates, you will have to create WhatsApp business account. But this is totally explained in another webinar that you can find on YouTube, searching for WhatsApp configuration, I think, and you will find it. Let's wait a few seconds for any more question. Okay, but if you don't have any more question, I think we can stop here. I hope you have enjoyed it a lot. And if you have any more question, or if you want to know more about the pricing or calculate your cost, you can scan this QR code that is just here. And then once you have scanned it, you can also, if you want, meet one of our advisors and get some advice from him by scanning this QR code also. So thank you very much for being here, and enjoy your day.
Yes, thank you. Bye.